This is Kinshasa, in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, one of Africa's largest countries, home to vast natural resources, with a population of over 110 million people. It is a member and current vice chair of the G7+. The G7+ delegates from Timor-Leste conducted an official mission to the Democratic Republic of the Congo from the 23rd to the 24th of March, 2026. The delegation was led by Secretary General Dr. Helder Costa, Chief Operational Officer Dr. Felice Piedade, Media and Communications Manager Helce Silvestre, and Political Assistant José Gomes. The delegation was also joined by Her Excellency Fanny Chichiku, Ambassador of the Democratic Republic of Congo to Portugal. During the visit, the G7+ delegation held a series of high-level meetings with the government officials in Kinshasa. These include discussions with the Vice Minister of Foreign Affairs and the Vice Minister of Finance. The delegation also met with the Chief of Staff of the Ministry of Justice, as well as the Chief of Staff at the Office of the Vice Prime Minister and Minister of Planning and Development Coordination. Further engagements were held in the Minister of Mines and the Speaker of Parliament. The mission also included a meeting with the Belgian ambassador to the Democratic Republic of the Congo.
DRC is now playing a dual role. One is member of the United Nations Security Council, non-permanent member, and another one is the Deputy Chair of the G7+. So this meeting serves the purpose of getting the political buy-in of DRC, and the leadership express the commitment, the conviction that they are very proud to lead the G7+ from now on until the next 2 years. The points of our discussion range from expediting the G7+ charter ratification from the DRC point of view, membership contribution, including the Rapid Response Advisory Center that is going to be provided by the Secretariat to its member states, including DRC. We discussed about how to make use of this Rapid Response Advisory Center in the areas of natural resource management, building the bargaining position of the DRC in the legal contractual arrangement, or any negotiation or litigation between member states or with a member state and an international multinational company. We also discussed about the imperative of peer learning mission between DRC and other member states. Express desire to host possible a high-level senior official meeting of the G7+ next year to discuss the issues about peace and security and the presence of the United Nations in those countries, because DRC is now hosting the UN mission here, and one of the longest-serving UN mission in one of the G7+ member states.
The discussion focused on strengthening cooperation, supporting national development priorities, and sharing experiences among G7+ member states. The mission reflects the G7+ continued commitment to promoting country-led solutions and strengthening collaboration among its member states.